Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carterville. Local and long-distance movers near me. Any move of 100 miles or more is a long-distance move. We offer the following options for your needs: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. A long-distance move isn't as easy as a type of move to make. However, with the help of our team, it becomes easier. Whether you're going 100 miles away or more than 1,000 miles, we can make your move so much easier. The right Illinois Moving Company can make your local move super simple. While it's a shorter distance, the job is still rather large. Imagine all the things you need to move from your current location to your new location. With the help of a local moving team, you don't have to use the time or energy to load your things, move them, and unload them. 3 Movers provides you with the moving services you need to save time and energy. We streamline the entire process and even offer packing and unpacking services. If you want to get your local move done faster, you need a local moving team. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carterville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.